This is FAWNE, but sticking with us, we have an unboxing today. This is for Simply Gilded. I just opened the side here so we can get going fast, and I love the packaging. When I saw it come, I'm like, yay! All right. Get that out of the way. And here is the new Fancy Fete. It's a good fall color. The blue and the it pops. Is that what you're saying? What? Pink. Oh, you like the pink? Oh, my daughter loves the pink. So let's get started. It's like bulging today. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pull everything out. Let's see what we have here. And I apologize. Our puppy that we discussed before, our adopted puppy, is in the other room walking around. So if you hear a lot of footsteps, apologize.
And crying.
Yeah, I don't know why he's crying. All right. And September 2020 box. We have foiled journaling card, designer washi tape, deluxe sticker kit and seals, B6 traveler's notebook cover, B6 stitch binding notebook, sleek engraved gel ink pen, velvet and crystal bow charm, vellum and acetate sheets, and a mystery item. So let's get started. And check out the washi since it's on top. And I am all about, hold on. I'm all about like reusing things. So in saying that, I love these little Ziploc baggies that they give us. I just think they're so cute. They like elevate whatever you have me putting in them. Like if you did a gift and you put this inside that too. So I've kept these for that reason because I just think they're so cute. All right, so we have our washi. Oh, I love the marble. I'm digging the colors. Okay. All right, we'll just take a couple at a time so we're not having them all up like that. So it's like a scalloped, it's foil with the scallop look with the pink matte over top. You know, the bigger bow with the marble, that dark blue with a little feather and then a polka dot, or I should just say dotted. Those are really pretty. And the different sizes. All right. Then we have our next set of washi, which I do get the add-on, so I apologize if this isn't completely accurate, because I get the add-on for it. So some of these may not be included. All right, then we have, it looks like a dark gray with the foil. Then you have, again, the marble with a smaller size. And then here is a little 4-pack. So you have, it's like a stripe half and half. Again, the smaller marble, you have the pink, and then that dark color gray, it looks like again. The bronze foil. It's very fall. Actually, I'm gonna just move these over here. All right, so then we have the bow and charm. It's pretty. The last bow I actually ended up giving to my daughter, and she loves it. So I'm gonna give this one to my other daughter just because she loves blue. And that one's pretty. Just the one little charm there. And then we have our washi cards. I'm gonna take them out and take a peek at them. even the card they come with has the decorative feather on it. So if you wanted to still use that for something too, you could do that. So it's kind of hard to tell that this is kind of ombre from pink then to like a blue. It's kind of, there we go. Use one of my old sticker things. So there you can see that, the pink and the blue. So we have the blue with the pretty peacock there. It's really pretty. And we have their pink with the foil dotted. And then I do like this one here. It's pretty. It's like a grayish, almost kind of like a purpley, but dark like a gray. The foil. And last but not least, it's the same look from the washi. And I love how everything always is so cohesive. Really thought out. Then we have our notebook. There's the simple notebook. Then we have our pen. I don't know if you can hear that. I have a plane going over now. It seems really loose, so I don't know. Everything just needs to be kind of tightened up there. Maybe that, no. It's weird. Hold on. Yeah, I was going to say, I never feel like I heard anything before. It's weird. Or if it's just not catching. I'll have to investigate that a little further. Take it apart and see if something just needs to be fixed. But I like that it's actually plain and just the metallic-y with their name on it. I'm gonna have to get that looked at. All right, and then we have the vellum and acetate sheets, which I cannot find. There we go. So you get the two, and that actually, I thought it was still going to be that pink background, but it's not. It's actually clear with just the foil. And then this one, which I actually still think is really pretty. I'm surprised that it's not the like diamond like the other one, but I do like it. Right, we'll put those away in a little bit. I'll just put those right there. I'll flip that so you can see the different side. Then we have our card, journaling card, which is a lot bigger than the normal size. Normally they're smaller than this. And I'm trying to look around my desk really quick to see. Oh, I do have an example. Because I changed one of my journaling cards to a quick organizer in my planner. So yeah, definitely a lot larger. Just wanted to show you for a comparison. I mean, no mind to me. Doesn't bother me any. I like it. All right, and then we have our this here is their mystery item because I'm not seeing it listed. Yeah, this is their mystery item. I was gonna say, I'm like, I don't see this listed. I had to read the card again really quick. Again, with their, pretty confident this is still their vegan leather because it feels the same. But I love the lines. Oh, nice. This is perfect for your journals, for your petite. I love this petite anything really, but oh, I love it. It's so pretty. I'm pleasantly surprised. It looks so good. Ooh. And then the sticker sheets that are every box that I've received so far. All right, so you still get your foiled. These are the heart dates in foil, in that darker blue. Then you have that marble foiled heart icons as well. Then you have your cute, more decorative boxes with your gratitude. Then you get your heart, or oh my goodness. Then you get your bows, the marble and the muted colors, and your 2 sticker sheets. So our first one here, your Monday through Friday, or excuse me, Monday through Sunday, your appointments. That one is really pretty. And then your second page has more of your important, your flags, again, some more of your larger boxes, and a few of the feathers and peacocks, which is really pretty. The colors are really pretty. All right, so this is the Simply Gilded subscription box for September. I really think it's pretty. I think that it's fall, but it's not overkill fall. It's not all about like the pumpkins, and it's just more about the muted colors and you know, simple designs. Like you got your straight lines, and the colors just, they pop to me. I don't know, I just really think this is really pretty. And I'm really digging this surprise mystery item. I really love it. I'm so excited about it. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching. My daughter is actually watching with me and is super excited, checking out everything and kind of making comments. Like, I like that one. I don't know if you've heard that. So she's gonna say bye as well.
Bye.
All right. And then, so you have a wonderful day. Thanks for coming again. If you are not subscribed, please do. Most likely I'm gonna be keeping this subscription for another month or 2 at least, just because it is so pretty, because this is the 3rd one and I like to do at least 3 boxes to see. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Hit the bell button.
All right. Bye.